Well, children, we have started the chapter GST, in which we have completed till the question 8. Now, today we are going to do the question number 9. The text invoice of a telecom service in Surat shows the cost of service provided by it as rupees 750. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of the bill. So, what is given over here is the cost of the service. See, we have got cost of service, how much is equal to 740. Okay. Next, the GST rate. The GST percent is equal to 18%. GST percent is equal to 18%. So what we do? We will find out the GST. GST is equal to GST हम मालूम करेंगे 750 का. 750 के ऊपर कितना GST लगेगा हमें? That is equal to अगर हम कट करते हैं 0 इन 5 से काटते हैं तो 15 into 9 आता है. That is equal to 135. ठीक है. तो अमाउंट ऑफ बिल क्या होगा? What are they asking us? Find the amount of the bill. Amount of bill is equal to 750 plus 135. That comes to 885. That's all. So simple this is. Did you understand the children? Okay, we go to the next question. Question number 10. This question is, Ms. Pratima took the health insurance. So question number 10. Health insurance policy for a family and paid the 900 rupees as the GST. Find the total amount premium including the GST paid by her for this policy. For this policy, the rate of the GST is 18%. So SGST, she has paid the SGST. See, SGST is paid by her 900. Then how much she paid for CGST is also 900. Okay. Total GST कितना हो गया? GST 900 plus 900 is equal to 1800. GST हो गया 900 plus 900 is equal to plus 900 is equal to 1800. Okay. 1800. इसको हम क्या क्या पता करना है? वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि टोटल प्रीमियम कितना आया उनका एनुअल प्रीमियम. अभी हम सपोज करेंगे लेट द एनुअल प्रीमियम बी एनुअल प्रीमियम पेड बाय प्रतिमा without GST. This would be equal to without GST. सपोज करेंगे हम ये x है. ठीक है. So 18% of x. GST कितना है हमारे पास 18. 18% of x is equal to 1800 होता है. तो इसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 18/100 into x. Into x इज इक्वल टू 1800। x क्या हो जाएगा, x को हम यहीं छोड़ देंगे, इज इक्वल टू 1800 इंटू 100 अपॉन 18। 18 से 18 कट गया, आंसर आता है हमारा x इज इक्वल टू 100 इंटू 100। इंटू 100 that is equal to x is equal to 10,000। 10,000 x आता है। x क्या है, ये एनुअल प्रीमियम पे कर रहे हैं विदाउट जीएसटी। फिर विद जीएसटी कितना होगा, दिस बिल इज विदाउट जीएसटी, दिस अमाउंट इज this is without GST। So total premium with GST equal to 10,000 plus how much? 1,800. That is equal to 11,800. Total which she has to pay is 11,800 rupees. 11,800 rupees. This is the answer, 11,800 rupees for the question number 10. We go to the 11th question. 11th question is, Mr. Malik. Mr. Malik went to the Goa tour and he took a room in the hotel for the 2 days at a rate of 5,000 per day. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. The hotel provided an extra bed charging rupees 1,000 per day for the bed. How much GST at the rate of the 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? So, how we do it? This is the question number 11. 11th question. See, rent of the hotel. Rent of hotel per day. Per day is how much? 5,000 rupees. Hotel rent paid by hotel rent hotel rent paid by Malik is equal to is equal to 2 into 5,000. That is equal to 10,000 paid for this. Next is the extra bed charge for 2 days. उनका फ्रेंड आ गया तो उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा बेड चार्जेस उनको पे करना पड़ा. बेड चार्जेस for 2 days is equal to 2 into 1,000. Per day it was 1,000 rupees. तो 2 दिन का कितना हो गया वो? 2 into 1,000 2 days का हो गया 2,000 rupees. अब टोटल रूम का रेंट कितना हो गया? रूम रेंट 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 is equal to 1,000 plus 2000. 10,000. 10,000 plus 2,000. It comes to 12,000. Now वो लोग पूछ रहे हैं what is asking? Is asking GST 28% है. GST is 28%. तो GST कितना लगा रूम का? They are asking GST is 28%. तो रूम का GST लगा तो हमें GST मालूम करना है 12,000 के ऊपर से. Now how much it comes to? GST is equal to 12,000 into GST is equal to 12,000 into 28%. वो हो जाता है 12,000 into 28 upon 100. जीरो का हो जाता है ऐसे बचता है equal to 120 into 28. That comes to 3360. देखो फाइनल आंसर 3360 हमारा GST आ रहा है. GST आ रहा है 3360 होगा सीधा आंसर. इसका फाइनल आंसर. एनी डाउट्स कुछ आपको हो तो मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा. आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम.